Hello, this is Josette. I'm here with Robin's Nest, and today we're going to continue on our card making experience using templates as opposed to dies. So the only tools you need is paper, a scoreboard, a trimmer, a pair of scissors, and some imagination. So these are the papers that we'll be using, and let me get my supplies and I'll walk you through the process. Okay, so we start out by scoring at 3.5 and 7. And this is folded into a tri-fold card. And you have this. It is on the folded edge this direction, measuring 1.5 inches from the fold and drawing a line. Now I'm going to draw this in a Sharpie so you can see. Then I have several measurements, and all of these are on the blog or in the description. And I'm doing this in the center area here. So I'm going to put a tick mark at 3/8, 1 3/8, and 5/8, 2 5/8, and 2 7/8, 3 7/8, and 4 1/8, and 4 7/8. Okay. Now I will cut . So I'm going to put this in my trimmer. I'm going to line the tick mark with the wire and start the cut on the black score line, and do that for all of these. Alright, so now we have all of these cut. Okay. The next step is to use the paper trimmer, and I put a black line on my paper trimmer because it's easier to follow. My first score needs to be on that 1.5 inch mark and on the other edge of that cut. So now we have a score here and a score here, one in the middle, and all of these little pieces. I'm going to fold my card up, fold this one, pull the little pieces forward, and fold the card. So the big pieces are getting folded out, and the little pieces are getting folded in. Okay. And then this will fold back, and we have a block. Looks like this and like so. So I made one in white, and I folded this one just a little bit different so that this way it's completely flush. You see? If you simply fold this over and fold this back the other direction, you end up with a lip. So there's two ways. One is a flush front and one with a lip. Okay. Okay, here we are with the completed card, nicely glued. So we have the front, and you open it up, and there's room here for the message. I have one panel, some dewdrops, letters, and the back panel. And when it stands up, I'll have a picture. You have the message. Alright, that's it. So the one thing I would like to stop and show you is how I created the embellishments. I used the glitter paper and I attached a piece of Stick It, and all of these supplies are listed. Then put my dies down and ran it through my little die cutter. And when they come out, all you have to do is just peel the backing off and they are a sticker. And so I cut a pink and the silver there. I think it's done.